Video number 15. How to make tons of money with YouTube as an affiliate. YouTube and CPA. YouTube is one of the platforms that you can use to earn cash. You can drive traffic to your CPA offers from YouTube. The number of views you have in YouTube determines the traffic that you can get. You have to ensure that the video you are using has enough traffic to ensure that you get more money. There are different ways you can use to promote your CPA offers. Step 1. Identify the CPA offer that you want to promote. You must ensure that you have a specific offer that you want to promote. The video you want to create must be related to the CPA offer. Step 2. Create your video. Create the video and upload it to YouTube. Make sure you optimize it so that the video can get more views to create traffic. When your video gains more views, post your CPA offers to ensure that people click on them. Step 3. Sponsor a related video. If you find a video related to your CPA offer, you can sponsor it. You must ensure that the video you are sponsoring has a lot of views and likes. Contact the publisher of the video and offer them an incentive so that you can promote your CPA offer on their video. The most important thing is to make sure that the YouTube video is related to the CPA offers. Here, you can take a look at a really cool YouTube and CPA case study. YouTube and list building. If you want to succeed in the YouTube sector through list building, you must ensure that you have a setup. You must have an attractive video that you post on YouTube that results in list building. Step 1. Develop a theme. This is the first and most important step. It can make or break your YouTube success. Anyone can come up with a video and post it on YouTube. So if you want to be unique, you must sit down and come up with a theme. Before you begin doing anything on YouTube, find your theme and stick to it. Step 2. Be consistent. Even if you have 0 views and subscribers, ensure that you are consistent. When you are consistently releasing a video every week, you may hit 1,000 daily views within a month. Step 3. Add annotations to everything. YouTube has a unique feature that allows you to add annotation pop-ups while the viewer is watching. This is a fantastic way of building your subscribers by letting people know about any upcoming tours, free offers, and product releases. You can also encourage people to register and become members of your organizations. This will increase your membership register very fast. Step 4. Host guests. If you are aiming at generating maximum exposure, you need to host industry leaders as guests in your videos. When you bring in guests, your daily view count is greatly increased. You also become more credible and you get massive sponsorship. Step 5. Blast your release days. This is the last step and one of the most important steps. Let everyone know your release date so they can watch your videos. Here, you can take a look at a really cool YouTube and list building case study. YouTube and ClickBank. ClickBank is a platform for the marketplace of product creators and affiliates, allowing them to make money easily without cumbersome agreements and paperwork. Most affiliates have earned cash through creating a unique link for thousands of products and ensuring that they generate traffic. ClickBank takes care of all the checkouts and e-commerce, and at the same time offers an affiliate program. Step 1. Look into YouTube videos that have already been optimized. To build a sales funnel, you need to look for a YouTube video that has already generated enough traffic. Choose the right product to promote on ClickBank. Make sure you find a product that is not too competitive and promote it. Step 2. Search the product name. Before you Google search, make sure that you have a YouTube video on the first page and ensure that it has less than 20,000 views. You can then easily outrank them with a basic SEO. You can then email the publisher and ask him or her for a review copy. Step 3. Create a screen capture video. A call to action is an important aspect in affiliate marketing. You can review your product in a video and do an in-depth look at the product. When you save the video, use the product name for naming the video, because it is an important aspect of ranking. Make sure that the first line of your description is the product name. When you use ClickBank correctly, you will generate more reviews. Here, you can take a look at a really cool YouTube and ClickBank case study. YouTube and SEO. Optimizing your video using an SEO strategy makes it rank higher in the YouTube search engine. Here are 5 main tips that will help you rank higher on YouTube. Keywords. It is important that you learn how to use the phrases and words in your niche and use them in every tagline and headline. Thus, you need to know the product very well that you are promoting. For instance, if you need to promote a mobile app, you can use the word mobile advertising. Additionally, do not forget to use long-tail keywords. These are longer sentences that contain your main keyword. Descriptions. Descriptions can explain to your viewers what your marketing video is all about. Make sure the descriptions are short and accurate. In a short description, do not forget to include the link to your website or your landing page. Thumbnails. These are still images that act as a preview for your video. They are a powerful marketing SEO element, so you need to choose and customize them wisely. Make sure that the thumbnails stand out from the rest. People are not attracted to dull pictures or thumbnails of low quality. Link building. Link building is another SEO strategy that you can use to boost your video in YouTube. YouTube works just like other platforms. Any content that is shared often is ranked higher in the search engines. All you need to do is ensure that you place the link to your YouTube video in as many online spots as you can. Here, you can take a look at a really cool YouTube and SEO case study.